but I guess I am. And this is a DIY fishing cart, because currently my truck doesn't have any reverse in it. Hasn't had reverse in it for a while, so we just bring this in. This was originally done for the beach, going on to the pier and stuff like that. And I mean, anybody can do this. And what I'm going to be using to do this, all this, is in here. Got me a sander, and I got some supplies in here. Got some sandpaper, some more sandpaper. I'm gonna try and do this a decently job. So got this, and then if I can find it in this bag here. And this is gonna be for the wheels. This is gonna be for the body. And then, like I said, I'm doing this kind of legit. And I got some flat primer. It's paint primer in one, but hopefully it still works. But anyways, let's get to tearing this thing apart. All right, so we're gonna first take these off, which I already loosened a couple of them, and I have a little Ziploc bag for them as well. Because, like I said earlier, this was this was meant to be for the beach, but since we've been carp fishing and I haven't been having reverse in the truck for a good while, so we just pushed this, and I was like, you know, I want to fix this thing up. I want to fix it better because it's rusted and paint is fading, so I'm going to be painting the camo body colors. So yeah, and I'll show you an example of it. That is. So yeah, I'm just using the basic tools too. I mean, for the sander, you really don't even need a crazy sander, which that is definitely not a crazy sander. And you could really do this just by hand too. Just get a block of wood or something like that to be easier. So, yeah. So I'm gonna get all these. Off, and I'll get back to you. The hardware in this one, and this one as well. So that's upside down. Alrighty. So I got all the hardware on that one. And that one as well. And this is what my tripod was standing on. I don't know if you could see anything or not. I didn't look at it. But anyways, I got all the little pins, all those, and on the other side. So this should just push this up. And push this up. And you can get this cart anywhere pretty much. I got this at a place called Northern Hydraulics at my work. And that goes off like that. And get this one, push this up without it falling, because that wouldn't be good. Or up it fell. And I'm just gonna put that over here. Again, I'm gonna paint that, the sides and the bottom, this, and I'm gonna paint the wheels this. So, anyways, I'm gonna get back to this. Gonna take the hardware off of that, but I'm just gonna be mainly sanding this right now. Put this over here. Whoop, and I'm gonna sand this. Clean it off and sand it. Alright, so here's an update. I've just been sanding at this for a little bit. I already went through a couple pads, but I'm not trying to get everything into the metal, because literally it's gonna be abused. Throw stuff in, you know. Like, I'm not even gonna sand like this axle part or like this part. I'm just gonna paint over it. I know some gonna paint fanatics are gonna be like, what? No. So there's a doggo. I don't know whose doggo this is. I really don't. If I get bit, I'll be on camera. Come here, buddy. Oh, I'm gonna find its owner, and I'll be back. So I went ahead, got the wheels off. They're right here. But I did find one wrong thing. One of them got stuck in my socket, so I tried to get it out and ended up like that, when they're supposed to look like, see if I can find it, look like this. So I'm gonna have to go to the store. I'm probably gonna get a whole new thing. I got Big Boy. It's Big Boy. It's a big ass cat, if you didn't know. But anyways, I might skip on sanding this, but if whatever you're painting, sand it, then primer it, okay? But I'm gonna try and primer this and see how that looks. Let's see here, where'd I put it? Right here. Let me set you up on the tripod, so that'd be better. So this is what I'm gonna be using. Make sure you stir it up. Now you want to do this right when it's like around a little bit more than 60 degrees. So, see how it goes. Yeah, I'm not a professional paint job person, so. And you definitely want to wear a mask. Let me go on this side. And this is not going to be a professional job, like I said. I mean, there's leaves in the middle that I can't get out. I'm just going to leave them. Alright. Whew. This is going wild. But you get the point of primering it, so I get back to you. So right now it's getting dark out, as you can tell. But anyways, I'm painting these black. And I'm turning black, guys. You can't see it. It looks gray on my screen, but yeah. No, anyways, I'm just painting it with this because I forgot to get black paint. But hopefully it works. Who knows? So, looking through the camera doing this. But anyways, don't mind that. That's carp stuff. But anyways, I just paint this. My allergies are going crazy right now. Don't know why. But hopefully this doesn't turn out gray. Hopefully it turns out like a good color. But if it turns out gray, which I'm thinking it will, I'm just gonna go over it with black. I'm just using what I had right now. So yeah. Anyways, let me get my makeshift tripod, even though I actually have a tripod. I don't want to get it. I don't want to make it painted on and stuff. But I'll be back. So, you're pretty much in the grass right now. But anyways, like I said, I'm painting this. And I don't care how this looks because it's just going to get beaten up. So, but I do want it like black. So, and I got 6 of these. This is my last one right now. I'm working on. And I don't know if I'm going to do this multi-parts or what. But anyways, that one's done. I just got to get the top of it. that I just sprayed my head with. Yes, I'm putting my fingerprints all over this. I'm gonna repaint them. So yeet. Alright. This is gonna be a 2-part series, I decided. So I primed this already. I need to get somebody to help me and carry that into the building somewheres. And then I have all the bolts in this bags. Here I got my sandpaper there. And I might need to do another coat on this. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. Hopefully it doesn't. But anyways, wow, that's bright. But anyways, I'm gonna show you the pipes real quick, all of them. So yeah, painted these. These are actually a decent color. I need to go over them. I was putting my fingerprints all over them. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. But anyways, I need to go over this and my tools. Yes, I know, all over the place. But anyways, yeah. If y'all want to see the paint that I'm using, excuse me, it's camouflage. This color here. I don't know if it says it on here. And then for the wheels, it's over here. This color here. But like I said, it's just a little fish cart. I'm not really gonna care what it looks like, but I do in a way because I'm picky. And I kind of want to do this like kind of legit, even though I'm already giving up on sanding. Because I didn't sand anything else but on the top here. So yeet. If you can see me, which I don't know if you can, I have the light on. Anyways, we got done with priming, sanding, priming, and took the wheels off, stuff like that. And anyways, right here it is. I need to primer this tomorrow after it rains. And then I need to do the wheels, the color too, my whole entire hand. But anyways, I have the things, pipes in right there. So anyways, if you liked the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Can't wait for part 2. Peace.